me mamu nyina akwaba biom ya senhia enede episode 2 ewo basic garden tips na me dey bro na de edi kan me da mo ase mu kire me odo me nya na nka me chiechi amomako na nka me das papa das nia many so bebre na me ntwe ne bebre so senior me ne wo kan about soil a obetumi ayi so na type of soil no I hope say oh share soil come because I feel the original me see me nu nyina ya be bo garden no na we twa picture no tag me on Facebook nyenne me ne wo ba be ka ho asem eyetia wa senior me ka no tools a uhia as a beginner and now so say compost a obetumi ato e dia fra wo soil ni so near me use no na me no ba be che you bebre wo ho but my try bebre na 2 as say me use no the last 4 years and no na me no ba be che enti jiwa konya den enti de di kan me wo ha eni so we are digging spade ne kase eni na we na so your hand spade wo ho me wi am de be chiro enti so wo we ya we no e betumi akate o grass edges na ma se woni we nso a mama nchiro ba ko e ka enti spade ni ni eno ye basic one na ene esa wo edge cutter wa ho sana me friend na we say no de ma me pe we ye me wi a me chiro de we no me de ye so awo me edges me send you like na utia ahane so a na kire say wo di akato edge na kire say wo ti hon mo pa na wo hwe garden na eti say de kwa ba mi chuti hu ana ya bo konro bi align ni dem no ho e ko say tin nti anu ni so but after na wo ba sha ase a empre ho for we so we say if you say be eduma na wo ye hia no all purpose na me friend nti ma me fa the next two so chire nti me next two so ye we say we digging for how here and na and me my example me find so to see for me say so na say we do 90 aso na say we dey say na say we to soil so say on we here for and ade mienu a we beginner we here pa digging for any spade two we betumi aye dwuma bia ho garden mama eno na me de sha ase na mo ukwa wani me de number 3 kire into number 3 a uhia se wadua plant bi sei e wo garden ma na se wo afede o garden ye mature uhia scissors na dia behu no sa na ye kan o chudi be yi no into we no ana nyame adam de be chonto my example dem here so we say ya actually say when my friend auntie say what say so I'm not be design to yami ado my no metro send here into where obi a overgrown garden and also overgrown plant be where one of the good tools are here would be money shape style be our pia na just we chat yeah to us enti we say the odu ni but so normal ti de na me neighbors na hu am grass no hu artist obi aso ni dia no ani abrosi come on me kwada me kwaya me die nti wa ho ema ewiabo a garden na ye nika enti we say uko pound land abetumi enye so wa ho ena ye wo we nso wo ho so ye obi apese uko wani mu dia na we no me friend my favorite tool in the garden me tool ankasani we say adwuma na me kire wo nti ma me nkire wo enti uni for me wa ho eni o di ato wo say na do kotodwe asi so wa ho na kire say ututu se be ya wo kotodwe ni no anya wo ya so wa do hia we say emfa kotodwe nsi ho keke na we denti e my favorite ni I hear foam and do this to say so oh sorry when the mouse support into na make us my favorite and too sorry I won't say instead of my area oba besiwa bisisi me ya no next my soap na me dey sorry into na me pay 2 year penny one I recommend this one yes so ye di e ya konya so enti me ye adwuma wo garden no ma bra eja maji makoni kakra musa na me am hye garden wa yam to original yard let's be a enti number 3 ni akonye ya ye die na asisui aye science na sui se asaya 2 box enti wa ho mi wo bibie bi kakra o ma homa kakra gloves kakra so wa ho eni o magugu enti we ya mo fancha me neighbors ne don't minim sa motimi nkan ya but sound enti we die ni this way so on sa akonya ba akoye the commercial dynamic here eno a aye bibie me friend all enti we am one of my favorite tools e wo bi here say manage to manage ho a ukọ local garden center ana asemo am UK ukọ home bag na ya na no so bi wo ho na esewa kam ana me last two ni we die me friend no lady posh there we abebo no we me de yeda nsu ata mi tutu fom no there we abebo no ntu yo bi ti se mi a won pese o tools ni na be basa e we aba na kire se wenya nti ukranti ana nti na the mama pe we mo no eye measurement nso wo so mama fencho nso ho sana we nso atie so wa ho enti the mama pe ye winter eye fall no ebe ba no nso ma kire odi obeye udi dia plant bi ono mo eye box no o se e bia to 10 cm ni na egu so ma so ya me pe garden tools so a measurement won tunye bia no wa enti tools kakra ubehie ni enti je wakonya se na me kana na me fa composter me different me soil e me ye kama me fenchre ye to so wa ho akonya amike they say soil ne ho ne abeyo amisha me gloves na yen to aso and they say ma sha me gloves and they say me composter me woni me o mienu we a miracle grow and na we so multi-purpose compost so na brand bi a wo pe bia betime ba me brand a me use ni wa tro ho se pots and baskets so na difference wo mu nie my main show difference a woman. One say wo hwe miracle grow na show. Emu oha so ahu. Na de me hu ni say me di dua plant ni nso a eye akese ankasa. Eye akese but emu oha nti na dry. Na multi purpose one nso hwe enu nie. Emu odu nti my main show difference a woman. So ahu we a multi purpose the no. We a miracle grow. I mean, and say, Miss Miracle grow in half. Namasa multi purpose in swap. We no would you good? You mean, it's all the good hanging basket and they will pot more. So, a mouth plant, I can see it. I think so. A mouth basket in your dry. And I will soil and swap would the upaso breaking. Who you soup we say na multi purpose na a come apart. Area near very clear and no one is a water multi purpose and wood. But a airy nadia or your hanging basket, any pot nibia. No one makes me anyway. Would the winning why ya? Nami who said there we have a bono. To see a nap or basket na dry. And tino soil me and one we use to any yamia do one swap. Match or send your bed mixing or your hanging basket, any pot. Auntie and then baby a dear episode 2 the ABC. Yamia do one. Me di ya chia so senie over the dot or grass no so this senie over tie the app any tools ya me di share we send you be so na fe me di send you be your hanging basket me di account and me met me aka share and say so subscribing to this channel I'm a mature garden tips ya but when you subscribe